Hello again. This is Ade Subanjo from Social Media Marketing Academy. I have another tip for you today, and just a story. There's a coach that I met the other day, and she wanted to get clients, and she's wondering how do I get clients. So we sat down together and looked at our Facebook ad, and some of the tips that I gave to you is what I gave to her. We sat down, I think. Just about 30 minutes, not more than that, we discussed and we looked at what she was doing. So we chose a copy, just a story. How just start with question and lead out with just a story of how she has helped other people and other people have benefited from her program, how she got into the program in the first place, and we placed the ad, and the ad was a lead ad just to get capture people's phone numbers and emails if they were interested in working with her as a coach. And then when they finish filling, excuse me, when they finish out filling the forms on Facebook, they fill the form on Facebook. It takes them to a thank you page, which is a video which she created, and in that video she tells them more details about her program. And then from that landing page of that thank you page, they're able to go and register to book an appointment with her, and she can talk with them for just about an hour. And she started running this. She must have run up to about uh, $100 of ads, and she got a couple of leads, lot of leads actually. Can't remember exactly how many, and some appointments, not too many appointments, because on that video she made them to know that each client will pay at least $1,000 for her coaching. And you know what? So not many people will register for that, of course. But just to cut the long story short, those number of people that were registered, she was able to get one client. And so what does that mean? About $100 to get a client of that pays 1,000. That's a good business, and she can just repeat that and repeat that. And you know what? All those that are on her list that gave her email, some of them will still become clients eventually, maybe not now. And so you may be looking at this and saying, you know what, my product is not up to $1,000, so I can't afford to spend that much. Yeah, it's true, but everybody has numbers for their business, and that's what I want to talk about in this video. You need to know your numbers. If your numbers are too low, then doing Facebook ad may not be good for you. If you're going to spend 10 or $20 or $40 to get only $5 worth of sales, then it's not a good business model for you. That's why you need to do a lot of testing. I would always suggest you start with $1 a day, move it up to two, three, $4 a day, and see, run it for like 5, 6, 7, 8 days. See the kind of results you get. Make sure that you always get leads. I always suggest that no matter what the business you are in, for now the best way to do it is to get leads, so that you can then continue to reach out to those on your list. Out of them, some of them will be interested in doing the business, some would not, but eventually they will be, and then you give value. So what I suggest is find what are your numbers. So let's say you're selling a service or a product that costs about 20,000 naira, or 50,000, 30,000 naira, to make it easy, 35,000. So that's $100 or $50. Then you need to know how much you are willing to spend to get people who are interested, and then you follow up with them. And so you want to divide that $50 by how much it costs you on the Facebook to get one lead. So one person to sign up for your email, and then you keep running the ads for, like, that's why I said you need some money for testing. Run the ad $2, $3 a day, running for 10 days. So that's $20, or running for 5 day 20 days. That's about $50. So when you run about $50 of ad, you need to make sure you get at least one client. So if you run the ad up to $50 and you get one client that pays you $50, and that's your profit. So if you're selling physical products, you need to know how much your profit is. So when you run enough the same amount of money that you of your profit on ads, you see if you're able to get one client, then that means you're breaking even, and then you still have leads that you can reach out to, and that's how you know your numbers. So I'll go over that again. So you decide how much is my profit. If I run this ad, how much will I get from one client? If your profit is say $100, then you can run your ads until you spend $100. Then check how many clients did I get and how many leads. If I follow up on these leads, will I get one client? And if you manage to follow up with leads and get one client, then it's worth it, because you can then tweak it and try to get two clients, and that's how you run your businesses, your Facebook ads. I've been running ads, and that's what I do. Before I know, for me to know that an ad is useful or good, I need to test it. I need to spend some money on it. That's why at Social Media Marketing Academy, our prices for teaching you are very low, and they're almost free. If you can follow through these videos and you don't pay for it, you could. It's just that you may make a little bit more mistakes, or you have to spend a lot of time trying to gather the information. We make it really, really low so that you can spend a lot more on your Facebook ads. So anyway, that's the tip for today. Enjoy your day, and continue to do very well in your business. Our goal is to get 1,000 businesses to multiply their businesses and scale it really big in the next year. So take care, and talk to you next time.